Hey, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hello. Hello. Look. Wow. Say, I'm gonna see you soon. I'll see you soon. Say, yep, I'll see you soon. Yes, I will. Say, yes, I will. Where's your little feetsies? Where's your feet? Give Daddy a kiss. The kisses. Go. Give him kisses. Say hello. Go. Go. Aww. What was that about? Say it again what you said. I didn't hear you. What'd you say? What was it you said? What'd you say? Oh, okay. Now I know. Now I know. Oh, I get it. Really? Wow. Huh. Well, I don't know what we're going to do about that. You know what we're going to do about it? Because I don't know what we're going to do about it. You want me to move you up? Oh, I know you want. You want to hurry up and get Grampy's fried fish. Oh, that's what you're saying. Oh, I get it now. Okay. That's what it was. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. You were sliding down. I figured that's what it was. Now I can really see you. Look at that fat stomach. Oh my gosh. That looks crazy. You must have ate tons of milk this morning. Hello. 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 All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yep, very good. I see you try to move your hand. You're copying. You see my hand moving. Move your hand like this. You do it? Very good. You did it. Very good. All right. Hey, talk to you later, Dad. Talk to you later. Love you. Say love you. Very good.